Meet Steve. Steve has come out from a hard day's work and realised that someone has scratched his car. He contacts his local body shops to arrange to have the damage assessed and a quote provided. Steve then takes his car to the body shop where they assess the damage and provide him with a quote. Upon receiving a quote and timeframe that Steve is happy with, he leaves his vehicle with the repair centre of his choice. SH Bodyworks is a BBRA approved accident repair centre located in Basildon, Essex. We offer a free no obligation quote, so if you're looking for a reliable body shop to repair your damaged vehicle, visit us today at shbodyworks.co.uk or call us on 01268 816 045. That's 01268 816 045. We look forward to hearing from you.